In my account on Neuroloader.com, open MCP Setup. Scroll down to Quick Setup and click on Add to Versus Code. In your browser, you will get prompted to open Visual Studio Code. Click on Open Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code, Neuroloader is ready to be installed. Simply click on Install to complete the process. In order to generate a new MCP API key, go to MCP Setup. Scroll down to MCP API Key section and click on Rotate API Key. Click on Copy to copy the newly generated API key to the clipboard. To update Neuroloader in Visual Studio Code, open the command palette using Ctrl-Shift-P. Select MCP List command, select Neuroloader and select Show Configuration. Locate the authorization value in the Headers section. Mark the API key after the word bearer and paste in your new API key. Don't forget to save your modified configuration.